Now I would like to come towards the behavior of Holy Prophet ﷺ towards his enemies, kuffar and mushrikeen, the combatant enemies. This is well reported in all books of hadith and books of seerah and books of Islamic history. It is reported in Sahih Bukhari in Kitab al-Maghazi, in Sahih Muslim Kitab al-Jihad wa Sayyar, and in Ibn Tabaqat, Ibn Sa'd of Tabaqat, and Ibn Hisham, and Ibn Ishaq. Everybody has reported that when at the time of the conquest of Makkah, Fathu Makkah, this was the city where the kuffar and mushrikeen had surrounded the house of Holy Prophet ﷺ with naked swords, and he was compelled to leave his beloved city, homeland, and he migrated to Medina. After 8 years of continuous imposition of wars on Holy Prophet ﷺ by the Meccans, when he came and the Makkah was conquered, on the day of conquest, Sa'd bin Ubadah raised his voice radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and said, Al-yawma yawmul malham. This is the day of revenge. O kuffar of Makkah, today we are here after conquering the city of Medina, and get ready for revenge. Whatever you did with Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when you compelled him to leave his beloved homeland, and when you were imposing for the last 8 years continuously, you are imposing war after a war and a war after a war on the city of Medina. Now we have conquered the city of Makkah. Get ready for revenge. This voice was raised. Abu Sufyan came to Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam with this complaint. Ya Rasulullah, your companions are saying this is the day of revenge. Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, anger was seen on the face of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And he stood up and replying and responding to the slogan of Sa'd bin Ubadah. He said, no, this is not the day of revenge. Al-yawma yawmul marhama. This is the day of mercy. This is the day of forgiveness. And this is the day of pardon. After conquering the city of Makkah, we will forgive every enemy who have been torturing throughout our history. And then Holy Prophet ﷺ declared, promulgated a declaration of peace, a declaration of security. And he said, Man dakhala dar Abi Sufyan fahuwa aminun, wa man alqa salah fahuwa aminun, وَمَنْ أَغْلَقَ بَابَهُ فَهُوَ آمِنٌ. This is the hadith reported by Sahih Muslim. Hadith Sahih. Holy Prophet ﷺ said, declared an amnesty. Holy Prophet ﷺ said, if anybody today amongst our enemies, anybody enters the house of Abu Sufyan, and Abu Sufyan was the person who was at enmity, at war, at hostility for the last 8 years. And that was the day when he embraced Islam. He said, anybody who enters the house of Abu Sufyan, he would be secured. Anybody who disarms himself, just he throws his arms, disarms himself, he would be secured. And anybody who just shuts his door of his house, he would be secured.